Testing, testing. Okay. Yep. Am I going live right now? Should be going live right now. Hold up. Maybe I need to refresh or something. Yep, I am live. Let's go. All right. Getting right back to Atari programming. I should have the PDF open in Chrome as well. Okay, great. So we got to know the background. Now there was a background register, right? It's kind of strange that I can't find that now. Oh, here, color and luminosity. Okay. So I'd like to keep a black background, and then... Okay. Actually, sure. What does the playfield mean? I'm curious. PF register is used to create a playfield of walls, clouds, barriers, etc. that are seldom moved. This low-resolution register is written into to draw the left half of the TV screen only. The right half of the screen is drawn by software selection of whether a duplication or a reflection of the right half. So it's 20 bits wide. 20 bits are written into 3 addresses, sure. PF0 is only 4 bits wide and it constructs the 4 first bits of the playing field starting at the left edge of the TV screen. PF1 constructs the next 8 bits and PF2 the last 8 bits, which end at the center of the screen. The PF register is scanned from left to right, where a 1 is found. The PF color is drawn, and where a 0 is found, the BK color is drawn. To make the right half of the playing field into a duplication or copy of the left half of 0 is written into 0 of the CTLPF register. Writing a 1 will cause a reflection to be displayed. Okay, this doesn't really click for me quite yet. Which end at the center of the screen. How wide is the screen again? Actually, yeah, I would like to know how big the screen is. So screen, that's clock cycles. I want to know what the horizontal size is. Um, 192 TV. Fully scan one line of the TV picture. Da-da-da. This microprocessor machine cycle occurs every 3 clock counts. We have that much to draw. So we're 228. Okay. Okay, I guess even though I'm a little bit confused, I should make some assumptions. I'm guessing this is a fraction, so that the screen's like 40 of whatever units this is wide, and then 20 of them go to the left half and 20 of them go to the right half. Sure, let's try that right now. And let's look at 6502. So there's the instruction set. Can I like save this? Yeah, I should be able to save this PDF so that I can view it in a web browser without having to make a request. Yeah, that works. How nice. I just love simple web pages like this. It's really cool. It's really good. Or actually, did it download anything else? No, it's just that HTML page. That's so nice. Okay, so what do I actually have? What can I do? So I can load something into X. Right, and I can load them into the 0 page. So it looks like I need to do a load X or a load Y and then load that into a 0 page. Wait, no, that's indexed. Wait, there should be a store instruction, right? Yes, you can store Y into a 0 page or store. Okay. So now, where is actually PF0? What register is that? Yep, okay. So let's dot define pf0 0d dot define pf1 0e dot define pf2 0f. There we go. So let's just make it a black background. Colu BK. Right, and I still want to do it 192 times. So instead of doing this, right, I'm setting the carry flag there. I'm still a little bit shocked that I don't have just like a decrease instruction. Like, that just seems like a universally useful thing to have. Yeah, that's just that's just really bizarre to me. I'm also surprised there's not just a general add instruction. Again, these things also seem useful to have. Oh right, there was an increment and decrement instruction, but they operate only on the 0 page for some reason. I don't know why. I mean, I guess it's not the worst thing in the world to just devote a memory location. I mean, we only have 128 bytes. So it's probably good to just, you know, conserve memory where I can. Although I don't have a lot of registers, so maybe I'll still have to use a byte anyways for certain counters like that. Right, anyways, this should work. So WA 6502. Game.sm. Yep, that works. WA link game.link. Wait, what is it? WA link? Yeah, okay. Game.link. What? Okay. Game.link. Oh, right, game.bin. Okay, great. Okay, so we got a black background again. Great. So similarly, yeah, so similarly I should be able to just load some things in X. Ah! Okay. So what I can do now, right, so I stored that. How about let's store this also in PF0 and then 255, let's just say F, yeah. Let's be explicit. F. And I suppose I would need to say the color of the playing field. And where is this? Oh, I can actually... Oh, never mind. I thought this was the color of all the playfield things. So, yep, I can only specify the color of the playing fields. That's what I thought. There we go. Define colu pf 08 define colu p0 define colu p1. Okay. What did the colors mean again? I actually never really, it never really clicked. So color and lumin. Oh, okay, I see. Okay. Let's suppose that I wanted a gray gold color and the brightest luminosity. Brightest? No, I probably should do 7. Yeah, I should probably do something more gray. Actually, no, I kind of want things to stick out like a sore thumb. Yeah. So this should be... I don't know if it matters if I write E or F. I'm guessing this is a don't care. But I don't actually know. I mean, we can test that out right now. We at the very least know, like, this worked, so if this also works, it's probably fine. I mean, of course, you would actually need to test it on hardware, but it should be fine. This might be a good time for some comments as well. A comment here. I actually don't remember how to do comments, so I'm gonna 6502. I'm gonna try this out right now. Yep, so that should work. Background to black. Playing field to 0 FFFF. Background to gray gold white. Do the cool rendering thing. Let me write. Should probably make a make-file at some point. It's kind of getting a little bit annoying to type out every time. Game.link, game.link. Uh-oh. Oh, that's true. Yeah, let's just make the make-file right now. So I'll make a simple bash script, and we're going to say wa6502.exe. wa link, game.link, game.bin. Make. Yep, that works. Wait, I didn't accidentally quit out of Stella, did I? I guess I did. Oops. Oh yeah! Look at that. Neat. Ah, no, I didn't! Huh? Cool. So let's make it actually a bit more gray. So let's make this 7 gray. Never mind, that actually annoys me a little bit. Let's make these the same. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, alright. Oh, I just realized I was I was recording my screen grayscale. Okay, let's disable color filters real quick. I was like, these are kind of boring colors from the Atari. No, it's not that. It's just me being a Dumbo. Color filters. Did I seriously just quit out of Stella again? Ah. Huh. Still kind of boring. I guess just experiment with colors, really. So it goes from gray to gold, then orange to blue, orange. Okay. So I think what this is saying is this is the current color and this is the next color somehow. Maybe. Okay. Let me keep experimenting. I just quit out of it again. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Okay. I think that's what's happening. Well, actually, let me do 0 and then F. Because I did have grayscale before, so maybe that makes a difference here. No, it's... Okay. So 0 was gray, then it's orange. Then it was like pink? Wait. So it was gray to gold, then gold to blue, orange. Yeah, so 0 was gray, 1 was like orange, pink. Oh, are these like different modes? Interesting. I think that's what's happening. There's like a certain mode that you have to set. And so because I'm in this, whatever this mode happens to be, I'm getting gray, orange, then pink, then purple, blue, and stuff like that. I mean, I guess I'm not really getting pink when I do 2. But I think I sort of get the idea. So, like, if I do 6... or 4... Let's do 4. Wait, so I did 4... Oh, yes, that's exactly what is supposed to happen, yes. Wait, what in the world is this color? Oh, never mind. That's not. They just did this really weird merging of columns. So 0 is gray, 1 is gold, then 2 is orange, and 3 is burnt orange. I don't know. 4 is pink, 5 is purple. Okay, I got it all figured out now. Okay. I see. Okay, so I think I sort of got I sort of understand what I want to do now. What controlled the reflections? Reflection. Reflect. So there's a certain register you can write to. Oh, okay. So 1 causes a reflection to be displayed. So what is CTLPF? Okay, I guess that's not really going on. Control. Oh, they did a typo. It's CTRL. Okay, CTRLPF. Okay, so you have a few things you can do. So I'm going to write 0 there, because I want to see what it looks like when it's not reflected. Disable reflection of playfields. Of playfield. LDX. So left half of playfield gets color player 0. Oh, that's pretty. Don't want that, but that's cool. Playfield gets priority or... Okay. That's neat. So then you have ball size. Yes, I am actually trying to get demonetized from YouTube. How'd you know? Yeah, I guess it doesn't matter. Yeah, let's just write 0 to it. We'll probably have a different setting, but for now, just 0. Or actually, we can do this. Yeah, this makes it more efficient. And it doesn't really matter what order we do these. SDX, what is it? Control PF. I also need to actually define that register in the include file. Dot define control PF 0A. Make. So that, I can't believe I did it. I can't believe I did that. Okay, there we go. Okay, how about loading 1 into that register? How about doing this also above? Oh, that's what that means. Oh, so if I wrote 0, it did a duplication. If I wrote 1, it did a reflection. I'm trying to think of what cool thing I want to do right now. I mean, I sort of have it in my head. It's just actually implementing it is kind of a pain right now, but we'll figure it out. So what I actually want is... So I remember there was something called enum. Okay, I guess enemy is a thing. I don't think that's an actual thing. Okay. Yeah, let's look up WLA directives. Yeah, there we go. Enum. Oh, it's end E, I guess. Um... So... Let's say this is scroll. Um... And then... Oh! So there is an increment instruction, or a decrement instruction. Okay! Is there an INA? Okay, that's much better. Yeah, I like that. So there was one. I just didn't know the instruction set. Unsurprising. Wait, that's INX. How about a DECX? I mean, all I needed really was a counter, so an INX should be good enough, actually. Can you do an inverse? Inverse. Oh, I think they call it complement. Oh, you do have a decrement X and a decrement Y. Okay, that's also really good. Okay. I mean, I guess it makes sense for these to be decrement and increment instructions. So that's increment memory. I guess I just expected that to also be an A. But it sort of makes sense that these are actually in the index registers instead. Okay. So how about for H blank way we actually use dex. So now I don't need to clear that. Additionally, let's see. So I had a... So I can do LDY. Did I say X? Yeah, I want Y. X I'm sort of already using for a lot of other operations. H blank wait. LDY hashtag 192. Yep, so now I can do day. Let me just check that that didn't screw anything up when I did that. Yeah, okay. So the game still acts like it always acted. So I can scroll. Right, what did I want to do with scroll? I wanted to... Right, so I wanted to memset, actually. And then dash RAM set 0. And then I don't want to jump to entry, I want to jump to game loop. And so RAM set 0. There was a store instruction where, yes, and I have these. Oh, there's only 0 page X. That's interesting. At least for STA. So we'll load that with 0 and that with 80. And then what we can do is we can store X. So I have the 0 page and then Y. And then day, and then if it's not 0, we'll go back up here. And so when it's 0, and so the last one will be 1, in which case it sets 80 to 0, and so that should set all of RAM to 0. Make. Yeah, so it looks like everything got set to 0. That's cool. Let me go next to frame. Okay, yeah. Yeah, let me just check that. Yes, so that actually worked out. I set all of RAM to 0, and which is what you're supposed to do. And so now everything's 0, just the way I want it. Do I also want a data set? I might want a data section. And by data section, I mean like a section that actually has like data that you initialize some RAM to. Because at the moment, all I have is BSS right now. Which to those who don't know is a 0 initialized section. So I kind of just have scroll as 0 initialized, and that's about it. Yeah, so everything's initialized to 0. So what I actually wanted to do after that was what I can also do is dash data and data section. We can actually do a data section right now. Can I actually do something like this? I don't know. Unknown symbol. Right, okay. Or is it .db? Yes, it's .db. Okay. It's probably better to also put it next to the definition. Yeah, this would be a lot better. For sure. Something like this. Here, 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 here. Okay. I did tell my friend I wanted to play on today, so I could probably just end the stream now and yep, there we go. I promise I'm coming. And I'll pick this up later. Sure.